dos adentro, falta una.
¿Una adentro?
Sí.
Oye, la puse mucho.
Ajá.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my channel is all about solo travel to immerse myself in different cultures and essentially just to learn and to share different ways of living, different lifestyles, different ways of connecting spiritually to nature, to everything that makes a culture a culture. So I'm in Mexico and I'm currently staying at a holistic center, and they hold different ceremonies that are traditional to the indigenous Mayan and Aztec culture here in Mexico. So it is a very ancient traditions that are practiced here. The culture here in Mexico is very spiritual in many different dimensions, whether it be through religion or through spiritual practices that were passed down from generations and generation. So I am here in Mexico, connecting to my roots, to my culture, to my spirituality. I want to gear more into sharing cultural knowledge and reclaiming ancestral wisdom. So connecting with different, immersing myself in these spaces with different tribes, with just different levels of communities that are connecting spiritually with like many ideas, and it's hard to put into like a kind of, what's the word, into simpler terms. But in today's video I have a traditional Temazcal ceremony to share with you all. So Temazcal is a sweat lodge, and I did do another video on it kind of explaining it, but it wasn't the best of my ability, so I'm redoing it. This video I'm going to be showing all of the kind of steps that are taken before a Temazcal ceremony. Like a Temazcal is traditionally used to cleanse the mind, body, and the soul. It represents Mother Nature's womb, and it's a dark dome that you go into, and rocks are put into the center, and you basically sweat, connect with the different deities and the different energies that are believed to hold a lot of power in this culture. And the whole time there's prayer going on, there's singing, there's medicine song, many different little aspects to it, and I think it's so beautiful. Every little detail of this ceremony, every little aspect of this ceremony, that it's so powerful, and it has such a powerful standing in this culture. If you're interested, stick around and watch. So we're about to go in the Temazcal. I've participated in many Temazcal ceremonies. It's a rite of passage of my ancestors, of connecting, and I'm sharing with you the kind of beginning ceremony space, because I have ashes. Going into it, I can't take it in. It's gonna be hot. There's lots of sweat, lots of smoke, and it's dark. Unfortunately, I can't take you in, but I will try to give you an update after how I feel, what my experience was like this time. But I'm going in with the intention of finding some mental clarity on some questions I have about my journey forward, and just to meditate on that, and to pray for myself, for my life, for this creation, this journey that I'm on, traveling, and this journey back to myself, back to my sacred remembrance of my ancestors. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this powerful ceremony. And if I don't make an ending clip, ciao for now. But if I do, then I'll see you then. But if not, thank you for watching.
the Chanupa is an spirit also. So was shared by the spirit, by the white buffalo woman, and was given to the tribes on the north, and it's for prey for the whole humanity. So it's not our own; it's for all the people, and only we can smoke tobacco in this, and it's for prey for the peace and the balance of life. So it's Chanupa means 2 pieces of wood, and this means the fallow, the penis, and this means the vagina of the womb. So the balance and is a prayer. We always we need to hold it on the left hand, and we do a prayer to the 7 directions, and we share with all the people. So it's an spirit. It's sending the prayer to the tobacco, to the Great Spirit, and it's very sacred. It's one of the seven sacred ceremonies from the North American tribes. So that means we need to make our own canuto, or this piece of wood, and this especially was shared by the grandmother from center of Mexico to pray for this family, for our Sundance, and today will be the first day that we will share the Chanupa for all the family. So for me, it's also a really sacred way to pray, and I'm taking care of this Chanupa, but it's for all the people. That means the Chanupa for me.
And it's it's obsidian, right?
Yeah, it's a obsidian stone, but usually now the black obsidian is used only by women, and the red stone it's for the sun dancer and for the men. But I think today we are trying to find the balance, and this canuto was shared to me, and I think because the men is also need to pray for the women, for all the women. So I think we are trying to be understood about this, and we are keep learning, and yeah, that means the obsidian, the black stone.
Nice. What is I know that the obsidian has something to do with like the smoky mirror.
The obsidian is really powerful stone. It's only from the ancestral tribe from center of Mexico. They talk about they doesn't have mirrors like we know now, actually, on today, but was a gift only between warriors. So because the obsidian is really showing you the dark side of yourself. So only a warrior can have the strength for transform all that darkness into ourselves. For that is a gift only for warriors. If the people don't know about the power of the obsidian, maybe they can get into the darkness and they don't know. For that, it's receiving a lot of light. If you know, the black color, it's absorbing all the colors. The black, it's all the colors like together. So this is a really powerful stone, and the women usually they use the obsidian for clean the womb and all the energy there. So yeah, that means the obsidian like a mirror for see all that darkness into ourselves and transform that. It's helping us to transform and see the inner enemy into ourselves. So usually it's a very good stone for have, like the sun that you have, and also it's a very good protection.
Okay. Thank
Oh.
you.
Sí. Ahora, ajá, dos adentro. Otra acá. Ajá, una adentro. Nos falta una. ¿Una adentro? Sí. Oye, la puse mucho. Ajá. Otra. De aquel lado, de aquel lado. Ya creo que ahí se acaban estas. Ahora aquí. Ahí está bien. Ajá. Ándale. La otra capa de las. Entonces ahí hay madera seca. Bueno, ahorita la traigo y ya yo. Bueno, todos tenemos que prenderlo de aquí y bueno, ajá, frenos el coche. corazón. Oh, Meteo.
Oh, Mateo.
We can find together. Pues una para los primeros, por primera vez que vienen a Temazcal, vamos a tener, lo primero que vamos a entrar a que es en náhuatl.
We need to say Ometeos in Nahuatl.
Es rápidamente, es la numeración náhuatl. C es 1, Ome es 2, Teot es energía. Entonces,
We
se
need to
hace
say
la
like
referencia a ti mismo.
Ome, it's the numerology in Nahuatl. Ome,
C, 1,
C, 1, and Te is 2.
2.
Te is 2.
Teot es Ome, Ometeot es Ome es 2 y Teot se le llama energía.
Ome is like 2 and Teot is energy. It means like the duality in the energy. Sí, significa como la energía.
Una vez que hayamos entrado al Temazcal, vamos a entrar por el lado izquierdo y nos vamos, no, por el lado derecho y nos vamos a acomodar.
Once we get in, we need to, if
Porque
you
no
feel
estamos acostumbrados
like very
a
suffocated, you
inhalar
need to
el
get
aire
down.
caliente.
Okay?
Entonces te puedes agachar y puedes incluso como ponerte en cuclillas y vas a sentir el aire. La recomendación es que recuerden siempre la respiración. Es un medio para nosotros controlar nuestro
Sostén.
sistema nervioso, nuestra mente.
Exhala.
Respiremos tranquilamente, inhalamos todo.
A caminar fuerte sobre esta tierra.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content. All right, I love you guys so much. All right.